Okay, this is the other rear door. And I'll start with that one. Don't need that. Okay, that's the two on the back side that just popped up. Get the front up. There we go. There's two here. And slide it back off the clip. Okay. Like I said, on the other side, you got two in the front, and you have two in the back, and the clip in the front. So one at the very, and the rest of these are just alignment. So again, push the little tab in, pull it out, and I'm going to run this one down, and there's a little hole in there. Comes out like so. Sure, you're taking up all the slack. Okay, well, that one sounded much better. All right. Now, okay, I'm going to see if I can show you how to take this thing out because of the tabs on the back, and it's just really thin plastic, so it might break. I would recommend a towel. I'm just using my cargo net because it's dark, so all this doesn't get washed out. But we start on the side with two tabs, and there's two blocks on the side for alignment, but you can also use those to pull up on it. So I'm going to do this so you can see. Just got to get it enough so that it moves slightly and hooks on it, and you can get the other one. Okay, now they're both up. They're just slightly off. Don't pull it too far. So you just want to bring it up just enough that it stays put, and then you can do the other one. Because the one on this end's easy. You want to do this one last. Come on, almost there. There we go. Ta-da. And grab the other one. And here's our new one. So it'll go in the same way, two tabs, one tab, and you want to make sure you get that on there straight and push it down evenly so it snaps in both the same, or all three at the same time. Cool. Okay, we're back around here to this side. So, and it's just a matter of plugging in the wires. Oh, sorry. I would edit that out if I knew how. Plug in the connectors for the tap. Okay. And like I did on the other one, I'm going to fold the wires together. I'm sort of OCD that way. And I should have brought that over as a loop. Oh well, I'm not that OCD. And this thing comes with a little fuse. It's the mini tube type. That's I forget what the numbers are, but it screws together. Hopefully this little LED never blows a fuse. Okay. There we go, and then ta-da. And let me go turn on the juice. And hopefully it lights up. Oh yeah, there we go. Sorry, got a little bit of blue going there. I thought it would be the ice blue like the footwell lights, but oh well. And this one, and it works, including the auto feature. So all right, cat, get back out of my car. And these lights were as pricey as those lights I just put in there, and these are so useful. So I highly recommend these. This, however, is a lot more difficult to put in because you have to run the wires from here through the grommet tube over here and then down to this light. So, and the key to that was, for me, was taking out this panel. You pull that out, take off the trim. Let me get a wire view. You take off the trim around here so you can pull the wire from here to here, and then lay the wire up around in here, and then you can get it through the tube. And you pop both of those off, get through the tube, and put them back, and then this whole section comes off, and these two. All right, I'm sorry, I'm not giving you attention. And for me, I ran, the wires are supposed to split to each side, but for me, I ran both to this side and then just used the pull wire to run from one side to the other.